Right, so we've got a couple of minutes in Bury St Edmunds before we need to go out. We're on rail replacement tonight. I've been out since 6 o'clock and it's nearly, what's the time now? It's 11:15 at night now. I've got about 20 minutes before I'm due to depart, so we'll do a little video here and then we'll pull over onto the stand and go. And I've got one person. So a couple of people asked me what I film on. I've got an Insta360 1R, which is this here. And what you're watching on is an almost identical Insta360 1RS. And I've got a lapel mic for the coach announcement stuff that I do when we're driving along. And it's on a splitter, so you can hear what's going on with the coach on the other mic there. And that's about it, really. That I bring into iMovie on the Mac and edit as needed, publish off that onto just to save as a file, and then upload onto YouTube. That's it. So the other thing I said I'd do now is I give a shout out to some of the other people on YouTube making transport related videos. Now, you might know one or two of them. There's Bristol RE. He's in London, Peter. He does transport related videos, buses and trains and the like. He drives for one of the London bus companies, so he'll show you what he's doing there, give a walk around on the vehicle and tell you about the shifts that he's working. John Lidston, of course, of Buses magazine fame. There's Double Decker Anton, of course, he's quite a popular following. There's Jack In, who I followed. I think he follows me on YouTube as well. There's that Yorkshire bus driver. And there's FP transport videos that I follow. I think he follows us on YouTube as well. Now, if there's any more that you know of, then stick a little note in the comments and I'll share those out at some other time as well. But just thought it might be interesting to see what goes on this side of the camera sometimes. So I'll do a little cab view around with the we've got Scania van Hool tonight. And then we're off on the 2331, I think it is, back all stations to Ipswich. So yeah, 2331 Bury St Edmunds, and we've got Thurston, Elmswell, Stowmarket, Needham Market, and into Ipswich. Very tiny print duty card tonight. That's rail replacement for Greater Anglia tonight. Right, so Scania van Hool tonight. Down here we've got the destination readout, so we're off to Ipswich via all stations. And the next layer here, I've got the open and closed door buttons. On the next layer up, we've got all the heating and ventilation, so the air conditioning stuff. Very good heater on here, 2-stage heater on the up and down there. Next layer up, we've got all the PA stuff, radio and things, reversing camera. All of the body warning lights, TV up there. You've got a guides, like the courier seat light, cab light, which does pretty much the same things. On this one, we've got a headlamp switch, so we've got xenons and halogens on it, and that switches from xenons, which I'm on at the moment, to halogens. We've got the side panel lights on the outside of the coach, down the side of the coach, and there's some other luggage lights and things there. This is the interior lights, so I've got the main lights on at the moment, off or all rack lights, night lights on there, cab light switch as I said. Then you've got the vents for fresh air and heated mirrors. Over down here, main switch, fog light switches. Been a bit foggy tonight, bit of extra light with that. Little mirror switch there and a vent. And there you've got the air and temperature, I think, of fuel gauges this side. Rev counter, which is a bit superfluous, gets an auto this one. Indicators on the stalk on the left. Over in the middle, tachograph, just on rest at the moment for a couple more minutes, and got the hazard light switch there, manual tachograph, wipers on the right, a few more things on this side. I've got the ferry lift and the kneeling controls, headlight switches there, retarder switch on there. Down here we've got automatic gearbox controls and handbrake. That's about it for this one. This one's courier seat just there. Plug type door and 2 and 2 seating. That's what we've got. Right, I'll catch you in a future video. Thanks, cheers.